Hi, this is my first video in a series on the problems that most customers face while dealing with health insurance, right from buying a policy till filing a claim. Just to give a sense of the what the problem is, recently the son of a close friend of mine one day returned home with a fractured arm due to an unfortunate accident. She took her son to the doctor, got X-ray and plaster done, bought the medicines, and then the child took physiotherapy. Fortunately, they had a health insurance policy. Guess what? When she contacted her agent after a few days for making a claim, she was erroneously told that it was too late to claim under the policy. Don't be surprised when I tell you that this example is not isolated. I have come across many instances where rightful claims have been delayed or rejected, or complaints have been ignored, or customers have been given wrong advice by their agents, or customers have been sold wrong insurance policies. The list is just too long. I'm pained to say how people, even my relatives and close friends, struggle or are reluctant to take a claim under their health insurance policies. They have paid heavy premiums for years together despite great financial difficulties at home, but when it is time to file a claim, they are fearful or reluctant or easily persuaded not to file a claim. Or when they do file a claim, they seem to get helplessly tossed in an endless dark tunnel. You might even have seen numerous news items in prominent media on these issues. Why do people have to go through all this? Usually because they either don't understand the terms contained in the policy or don't understand the insurance procedure or don't know the documents that are required for claiming or don't know where to file their claim or the agents who help them buy the product are either not very helpful or are themselves ignorant or the insurance companies are unhelpful. I hope you have not experienced any of these. Hi, everybody. I am Rajiv Gupta. I have worked in various insurance companies, both PSU and private. I have worked in a US consultancy firm in a senior management position, helping health insurance companies fine tune their operations. And my last official assignment was that of senior vice president in a private sector general insurance companies. I have seen health insurance business grow right from the time when it had just begun in the Indian market in the late 80s to the current times when it has become common household need, especially with the onset of COVID-19. This has given me a unique perspective into the challenges that customers and insurance companies both are facing. I have developed health insurance products for insurance companies, have personally served customers, so I know the inside outs of health insurance business. Currently, I am helping people resolve their health insurance disputes at various platforms, including Ombudsman, Consumer Fora, courts. Despite health insurance becoming known to many, even today, I see that customers find it difficult to understand what their health insurance products are about or how to navigate the insurance maze. Sadly, most insurance companies have done little to improve the situation. You'll be amazed to hear that even today, policies are worded in such complicated manner that even people working in insurance companies do not understand them fully. You can well imagine the ordeal ordinary customers have to go through. Further, insurance companies have many health insurance products, and it becomes difficult for customers to distinguish among them. Comparison websites have added to the confusion by reducing everything to a single denominator, that is price. Common people just cannot figure out which product to buy. For instance, just look at the dengue health insurance product. This product covers only hospital treatment costs due to dengue. Some customers have bought this policy and mistakenly believe that they have adequate health insurance. And now we have a COVID specific health insurance product. Certainly, I can say that customers are confused with health insurance product they should buy to ensure widest insurance protection for themselves and their families. Finally, some people buy health insurance only for availing income tax benefits. That can be a big mistake. Insurance, first and foremost, is for your protection. The tax dimension is absolutely secondary. In short, I believe insurance in India is like a muddy pool. It is there, but unclear and confusing, and at times scary too, because you can be suddenly out of pocket if there are gaps in coverage or if it is inadequate. I'm starting this YouTube channel with a strong desire to help you demolish these challenges. Since our incomes are limited, we cannot afford to buy products, policies blindly and then not claim what is rightfully due to us. I'm here to help you understand health insurance. I will explain how health insurance works, the peculiar jargon that the health insurance industry uses, and the major players in health insurance systems and how do they affect you. Second, the role of industry regulator IRDAI and your rights under your health insurance policy. I will explain how IRDAI strives to protect the customers through various regulations, your rights as a policyholder, and how to leverage your rights to get your claim and sort out other insurance matters smoothly. Third, help you understand the claims procedure. I will explain the procedure and common blunders made by policyholders and how to avoid them. I will also tell how insurance company typically behave at the time of claims and how to protect your interest, and reveal typical misconceptions that customers carry. The next point is to guide you to choose the most useful health insurance products among the numerous available. I will tell you about the types of products available and to how to avoid overlap among them. Explain how you can have the widest coverage at the most affordable cost. Protect your pocket while purchasing health insurance. I will tell you about the distribution channels from where you can buy health insurance policy, their pros and cons, and estimated costs. And finally, you will learn how to make complaints and get them settled in your favor. I will soon post a video about various uh, unique terms used in health insurance and how these terms affect you. What do you think? Please share your comments and suggestions. I can assure you that by the end of this video series, you will be able to maximize insurance protection for yourself and your family at the minimum cost and learn to conveniently get what is due to you. Thank you for your time and attention.